Hey, what's up, free coin holder? This time, absolutely, the free coin result is very bad now. And what's the price prediction? But good news, my friend, for all of you. I hope you will be get a profit if you watch this video. I hope, my brother. Let's start a brand video. Kindly, in this video, we predicate this coin. We do a technical analysis, and exactly, we also share opinion in this video. So let's see, my brother. Please, kindly, must watch this video to understand better. Otherwise, you completely lost, my brother, because everyone is losting now in those days. So I hope, my brother, you never lost. This time you can see the chain occur. First of all, I will update you first of all, and after that I predicate this code. But kindly subscribe this channel and like this video. Please subscribe this channel for more this type urgent videos. You can see the chain occur last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days. All chain occur will be negative now. So that's mean, so the coin is completely dumps down. And what's the reason? The first of all, I want to tell you the reason. The reason is that to this is now, my brother, especially from last 1 month, this coin is fails down. Absolutely, at July, my brother, every coin will wake up and move upward. But this is one of the bad coin, my friends, so they will fail us down. So I first initiate experience, my brothers, to please don't invest anymore. If you after my friend, at the end I will tell you to why, but absolutely this time I will tell you to please don't sell it. All right, let's check out, my friend, the last 1 month chart. This chart, you can see here the chart result is completely showed to this coin is completely dumps down. So what's the reason, my friends, to the level dumps down? The reason, there are two main reasons. This is the first reason is that this is the start of month and every coin will fail down in the start of month. And the second reason is that, my brothers, especially short term investor, they are starting selling, so therefore the coin is dumps down. So kindly, if you are any my friend, this time if you are a holder, so please don't sell it. But if you have any plan to invest more, so don't invest. Yes, absolutely, it's not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, and absolutely I share my personal experience. What expert says, what my friend and me what says, please, this is absolutely very important, but please research personally, this will be very important for you. Now, my brother, free coin, after you can see here, this time they fails down, so there is a lot of chances they will wake up, because this is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and I hope they will move wake up and they will move upward. But this is not possible, my friend, and especially in those days. Absolutely, at the end of month, every coin will starting moving upward. So I hope they will starting moving upward at the end of month. So kindly holders, you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be increasing. See you next time. Please, my opinions, please hold. Allah Hafiz, take care.